Welcome coders. In logic building in C programming series. Let's start. Today we will solve new problem. Compare or check which number is larger from three numbers. Here what we need to do, taking three values from users and then comparing that three numbers and showing the result which is larger. So let's start. First need to ask a user printf enter three numbers, okay, slash n semicolon. Now I am creating three variable, number 1 comma number 2 comma number 3 for storing entered three number by user, and for storing I am using scanf. Taking user value from user I am using scanf, and here we have three variables, so we need to do 3 times %d for accessing number 1, number 2 and number 3 variable. Okay, now I'm storing n person number 1 comma n person number 2 comma n person number 3. Okay, yes, okay. Let's now our logic, what we need to do here. So you have to use if condition for checking. If number 1 is greater than number 2, then what happened? Here I have three numbers, so I need to compare again. If number 1 is greater than number 2, then if number 1 is also greater than number 3, then printf larger number is %d comma number 1. Okay, otherwise what happen? Else sorry, curly bracket, yes, otherwise number 3 is greater. Okay, yes, sorry, number 2 is greater. So here I am comparing number 1 with number 2. If this happen, then we comparing number 1 with number 3. Then if it's happen, then print number 1 is larger, otherwise number 2 is larger. Okay, because if number 1 is larger, then it is compared by number 3. Okay, so now we need here other else block. Please remember bracket and all the things when you are using if else statement. Okay, now we are comparing number 2 with number 3. Okay, because we compared already number 1, now it's time to number 3. So printf, if number 2 is greater than number 3, then else block will execute, and here we print larger number is %d comma larger number is number 2. Okay, okay, otherwise what happens? Else, otherwise else block will be executed, and that will print number 3 is greater. Okay, so you can see we are comparing number 1 with number 2, and this will execute if number 1 is greater than number 2. Otherwise this else block is execute and comparing with third number. Okay, so you can see this program here, and let's compiling this program, running this program. Now it's time to get output. I'm entering first number 4. I'm pressing enter. For taking second, I'm entering 5, and here I'm entering 8, and we will get output larger number is 8. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, those thank you for watching. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.